Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of CryptoEmCee Announcements. My name is Eugene Romanenko. I'm still your CryptoEmCee, and please welcome my today's distinguished guest he's from Portugal. Lisboa. His name is Fred Nogueira, and he's the founder and CEO of PixEOS. And he will also be the distinguished speaker of the CG conference hosted in October 10th and 11th in Kyiv by Andrei Sharanevich and his brilliant, fantastic CGC team. Fred, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
So for these guys who don't know who you are and what you do in the gaming and blockchain, please tell us briefly who you are and what are you doing in the gaming industry?
In the gaming industry, yeah, for sure. So like we founded PixEOS last year, is an art gamification platform built in the EOS blockchain, or EOS blockchain, as some people they prefer to call it. And yeah, we started developing a gaming infrastructure with multiplayer system and an arcade traditional gaming. So what we're doing, basically, we built up a whole economy or tokenomics for people to play and interact with arcade games. We'll evolve to other kinds of games. So we've been working in different products right now, and we also have the art gamification side of the platform that will deal with NFTs. So we're soon to launch our digital goods gallery on the EOS blockchain, and by the beginning of next year, expand to other blockchains as well.
Sounds good. I think you'll be a very, very interesting speaker in Kyiv. But why did you decide to share your ideas and experience at the CGE conference?
Yeah, I had the pleasure and the honor to join the last conference in Minsk. It was a great experience. I got in touch with great people, made amazing friends over there. And it was super interesting to take part of the panel. I think the discussion was super positive and super productive for everyone. I had the chance to also do a solo last minute presentation. I think it was pretty decent for the time. And yeah, that's the reason why I decided to come back and join you guys again. And let's make this event in Kyiv amazing as well.
That's good. I think the CG conference in Kyiv will be more hard than it means, because Kyiv is southern, more than 1,000 kilometers than Minsk, so it will be a bit more besides the fall. Okay, what specific topics and issues will you be covering in Kyiv?
Yeah, I'm still working my content as we speak, but I think user acquisition is a topic that I'm very interested in. Also, one topic that I like a lot, and it was the one that I used last year, is about organic growth and marketing in blockchain projects. Yeah, I think some of the most challenging topics that we have in blockchain gaming right now. One is adoption, user acquisition, how to get people to use your dApp and to interact with your dApp. And we need a lot of education and conscientization of the users, because we're dealing mostly with speculators and people, they shift very quick their opinions in blockchain because it's a very volatile universe. So I think it's very important that us developers and the people managing the blockchain business, we start to find the right community for us and educate them in a way that they will interact with the dApps and understand what we're building. And there is a purpose while we're using blockchain for the implementations.
So by your opinion, what are the main trends right now at the intersection of the gaming industry from the one side and the blockchain crypto industry from the other side? Main trends?
Yeah, the main trends, I would say, user base wise, it's definitely gambling. So the dApps that they're moving more, that they're having more interactions with the blockchain, more transactions per second, and more users, they're gambling dApps because there is this expectation of getting something in the end, and this illusion that people, they can actually make a lot of money in the gambling dApps. And I'm super keen to see what will untangle with the NFT market. with the digital assets. And we are also in this business with our gallery and the games that are to come to our game center. So yeah, I think digital assets is definitely the next mainstream product that we'll see in blockchain. So with the skins and with the cards and everything, there's a huge potential and a huge future for it. And the blockchain solves a lot of issues in this area. Like, it will be the first time that it will actually possess a digital collectible. So it is happening already since 2017. There's a lot of things going on, but I think the blockchains, they're evolving, the technology is evolving, like the projects, they're also creating new NFT standards that they are getting more and more advanced, also to suit to the mainstream gaming industry.
But finally, how do you think, what type of person would most benefit from attending CG Conference in Kyiv? Whom do you recommend to visit Kyiv and to visit CG Conference on October 10th and 11th?
Definitely blockchain entrepreneurs. They should get closer to the game, to the game developers. They should have a look at what is being done and what is being showcased in the conference. Obviously gamers, like, we want gamers coming and discovering what is blockchain gaming, what are the advantages they have, and also to get educated about it, because nothing like the dragon that everyone thinks it is, that is very difficult to deal with the wallets, to deal with the financial assets, and then connect them to dApps and use the dApps. So it's very important that the gamers will participate, blockchain entrepreneurs and game developers for sure, to get in touch with other infrastructures and other projects that are also building. And I believe a lot in collaboration. I believe that in the blockchain universe right now, we need to get closer to each other. We need to share our communities. We need to promote together, because no one will get adoption and grow isolating themselves in their island. So it's time for everyone to get together and like break these borders of blockchain maximalism and I'm building here, I'm building there. No, everyone is building the same technology, and we need users. So we should fight for users together.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you have heard this personally by your own ears from this kind of gentleman. So if you are in the gaming industry or in the blockchain industry, or are considering to enter this industry and trying to understand what's going on there, please get your tickets to the CG Conference in Kyiv, and welcome to Kyiv to the CG Conference on October 10th and 11th. See link below. Use your promo code. So your promo code CGC _CryptoEmCee for a 20% discount, and also written below. And of course, by the way, we can also meet with you at Human Chat Conference in Minsk, Belarus on October 5th, in Chamber 19 Conference in Yerevan, Armenia on October 14 and 15, in Blockchain Live Europe Conference in Moscow, Russia on October 16 and 17, in Georgia Game and Affiliate Conference in October 18 in Tbilisi, Georgia, and of course Satoshi Investment Summit with celebration of 11th Bitcoin by paper anniversary at Tbilisi, Georgia, October 30 and 31st. Visit CryptoEmCee.com. Please link below and find your discount promo codes. Please subscribe on my Facebook page, YouTube channel, and check out for the new speakers interview. Fred Nogueira, founder and CEO of PixEOS, Eugen Romanenko with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in October 10th and 11th at the CG Conference in Kyiv. Stay tuned, stay crypto, stay gaming, and thank you, Fred.
Thank you so much. See you in October.